Hi Kickstarter, my name is Billy Zelsnak and I'm the designer of the Polygon Delta 3D printer. And as you can see, I print quite a bit. This is not my first 3D printer design or my first 3D printer campaign. 4 years ago, I launched one of the early 3D printer Kickstarter campaigns called the Printzel. I learned so much delivering that campaign. One big lesson was that just because you can make a working prototype does not mean that you can easily make copies of that prototype. Since the Printzel, all of my machine designs have focused on manufacturability using the tools and services generally available to me. For this campaign, I'm offering a kit rather than a turnkey assembled 3D printer. The kit is nearly complete but does not include a print controller or power supply, but these are commonly available and inexpensive. Everything else is included, all the hardware, motors, extrusions, bolts, hot end, wiring, etc. Some highlights of the machine are an aluminum frame for rigidity with high visibility enclosure panels for increased temperature stability, a large 10 inches in diameter by 12 inches tall build volume, a genuine E3D Light 6 hot end with a Volcano add-on option, near zero backlash magnetic joints with carbon fiber rods, a flip-down centered calibration probe, a flying filament feeder for a balance of low end effector mass and accurate filament control, and a compact solution for cold end cooling and high volume part airflow using a blower fan. Check out the campaign below, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Thank you for taking the time and watching my campaign, and thank you for your support.